Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Alright, so we start off today's video with someone who has this very pretty waist-length hair. Oh, absolutely gorgeous bob transformation with a chocolate brown color. Very cute style. Next up, we have a color transformation. So her hair is around shoulder length. And it looks like she chopped the hair just a tad and went red. Color is absolutely beautiful. And what's interesting about this color too is kind of a bit of reddish brown to it. So the stylist is cutting off quite a bit of hair here for the next one. Here we have another beautiful bob transformation. She's got the swoop bangs going there in the front to help frame out the face. Very nice. Hair has so much body and movement. Look at that. Few tousled curls mixed in. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Ooh, so she got a nice shaggy bob haircut here. Look at the bangs going there in the front. Very cute. I love the simplicity of this style. So here we have someone with pretty long mid-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair off. And bam, gorgeous bob. She does have the bangs going there in the front. A lot of body in that bob. Wow, hair is so thick and full. Another gorgeous bob here. Look how much body he added within the cut. Oh, okay, so she is definitely going quite short here. Oh, boy cut pixie style. Very cute. We get a nice 360 view of the cuts. We have a layered haircut style here. Now this is obviously going to give you a lot of volume. Wow, she got some curls put in. Very nice. So here we have an expecting mama. Looks like the stylist does some blunt bangs here. A little cut refresh on that bob. Very cute. Does anyone watch 90 Days Fiancé? She kind of reminds me of Jasmine. Who, by the way, is expecting. All right, so next up we have another bob. Long to bob transformation. Oh, this is gorgeous. She went lighter too. Perfect. This is beautiful. And she got a nice classic bob here. So we have someone with mid-length hair who decided to switch it up with this bob. She's got the bangs going there for some added shape. Very cute. First time cutting a bob. So she has some long waist length hair. Here's the inspiration. Popular Italian bob, chunky bob. Hair is placed in the ponytails and then cut. Going even shorter here. Very pretty. Nice classic bob. And here we have another stunning bob haircut. This one ends just above the shoulders. Nice classic length with this one as well. And then we have someone here, it looks like she's getting extensions, some color. Ooh, very nice. She got the layered 90s look here. The bangs, so pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these very cute hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.